Good day. So I'm gonna demonstrate about the features of the four features of OOP, which is the inheritance, encapsulations, polymorphism, abstraction. So the first is inheritance. Inheritance is in Java. It is possible to inherit attributes and methods from one class to another. We group the inheritance concept into two categories. So there must be a subclass or a child that inherits from other class. Superclass or parent, the class being inherit from. To inherit from a class, use extends keyword. So I'm gonna show you an example of the inheritance word. Next is encapsulation. Is to make sure that sensitive data is hidden from users. To achieve this, you must declare class variables attributes as private. Provide public get and set methods to access and update the value of a private variable. So get and set, you learned from the previous chapter that private variables can only be accessed within the same class and outside has no access to it. However, it is possible to access them if we provide public get and set methods. The get methods returns the variable value and the set method sets the value. Syntax from both is that they start with either get or set followed by the name of the variable with the first letter in uppercase. So I'm gonna show you an example of the encapsulation where get and set declared. Next is polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms, and it occurs when we have many classes that are related to each other by the inheritance. Like we specified in the previous chapter inheritance, let us inherit attributes and methods from another class. Polymorphism uses those methods to perform different tasks. This allows us to perform a single action in different ways. So in polymorphism, for example, think of a superclass called animal that has a method called animal sound, open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Subclasses of animals could be pigs, cats, dogs, birds, and they also have their own implementation of an animal sound. The pig oinks and the cat meows, etc. The next is abstract. Data abstraction is the process of hiding certain details and showing only essential information to the user. Abstraction can be achieved with either abstract classes or interfaces, which you will learn more about in the next chapter. The abstract keyword is a non-access modifier used for classes and methods. Abstract class is a restricted class that cannot be used to create objects. To access it, it must be inherited from other class. Abstract method can only be used in an abstract class and it does not have a body. That body is provided by the subclass inherited from. An abstract class can have both abstract and regular methods. And this is my sample of the abstract codes. And that's all for today and that's all for my demonstration of the 4 OOP features, which is inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction. Thank you for watching and have a great day.